Aisha Raji, I will say this. Aisha Raji ò lè ever jáde lẹ́nìí kó wá sọ pé Austin ò ṣe oore fóun rí bí ò tiẹ̀ ṣe ọjọ́ kan. Ọ̀rọ̀ ìtẹ̀lẹ̀ Austin Emmanuel, Aisha Raji, Babati àtàwọn marketers tó kù ni mo fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ lé lórí. But this video, I will be coordinating my language, so a lot of people that does not understand Yoruba will understand what I'm trying to say in this video. See, I met Austin Emmanuel first time around 2011. I met Austin Emmanuel on ITELE's set. So there is no how you can tell ITELE's story without mentioning Austin Emmanuel. And there is no how you can tell an ITELE story without mentioning Austin Emmanuel. Do you get me? So now, there is no how you can tell Aisha Raji a story. You have to mention ITELE. You have to mention Austin Emmanuel. Even Babati. You can never tell a Babati story without mentioning ITELE. Trusted. Because, see, I am kind of privy to a lot of information around this very scenario. Because I'm like a door to all of them. Morinu, Morode. But one thing I want to say in this video is that ITELE, you are my paddy. I could have called you personally, trusted. Because, see, I am kind of privy to a lot of information around this very scenario. Because I'm like a door to all of them. Morinu, Morode. But one thing I want to say in this video is that ITELE, you are my paddy. I could have called you personally, normally. But since all of these videos are already in the public domain, let me quickly address it publicly so you can get to watch this video. Now, what I want to say is, guys, in case you don't know, ITELE has been a very big producer since way back. Since the days of Ekumeta, since the days of Ogbon Imo àti Oye. Now, all of these movies, ITELE has been running productions like big producer since way back. ITELE has become an established producer and actor way back. Látàrí Ekumeta ní Dumota. ITELE marketers has been, financing ITELE projects. Now, on the set I met Austin Emmanuel, on that ITELE set that I met Austin Emmanuel, all of us, our husband, let me tell you the people that our husband, I will tell you those people. It's not funny, but it's the reality. It's an history, it's a story. Yeah. I met Austin Emmanuel on that set. I met Babati. It was me, Crack, and a lot of A-list artists on that set. Our husband, Amorawa, on that very set. So now, along the line, Batasi Austin Emmanuel Made, when the time came for Austin to become big, Austin became very, very big. That was when Austin started producing the movies like Mr. White, Omo West, Samora, Alagbara, Iteoba, all those blockbusters. Then Austin, became very, very big. Then the marketer started financing Austin's project. That time, film Austin bá jáde, if you are a producer, if your film is coming out on the same day Austin Emmanuel's film is coming out, ó lè jẹgba, because Austin's film would definitely become a blockbuster, which might affect other films that are coming out on that same day. That is to tell you that gbogbo nǹkan láyé yìí ó gba ọpọlọ, ìgbàdẹ ní nǹkan. Whatever you do now, see, if you are hot now, you are buzzing, you are hot, everybody is hailing you, hey, hi, hey. See, listen, you have to be very scared of the people that are coming behind you. Listen, you have to be very sensitive. You have to be very aware of what you do to the people behind you. Àwọn tó wà lẹ́yìn ẹ̀ mọ nǹkan tó ń ṣe pẹ̀lú wọn, because those people at the top, we already know where they are. You already know the position they occupy at the top. You already know. But the people coming behind you, very well because Yoruba will say ibi takuko àkùkọ gàgàrà yeah ibi tó dé àti rí but èyí tó ń bọ̀ lẹ́yìn ẹ̀ o ò tí ì mọ ibi tó ń lọ ẹni tó dẹ̀ wà lẹ́yìn ẹ̀ tó bá dé tó bá gbági ìrìlẹ̀ tó bá kọjá ẹ̀ báyìí ó máa wò ó lọ́kàn báyìí ni ó máa dàbí Usain Bolt. Now in this video Aisha Raji, I will say this, Aisha Raji ò lè ever jáde lẹ́nìí kó wá sọ pé Austin ò ṣe oore fóun rí bí ò tiẹ̀ ṣe ọjọ́ kan. Then Austin Emmanuel náà as a person kò lè jáde lẹ́nìí kó sọ pé Aisha Raji kò ṣe oore kan fóun rí bí ò tiẹ̀ ṣe oore kan lọ́jọ́ kan, because I have featured in a lot of movies that Aisha has produced that Austin Emmanuel was the one that directed those movies, and those movies they those are blockbusters, I'm telling you. So then there were times when Austin Emmanuel was producing, it was ITELE that was doing the production manager for those jobs. Ilé ayé ta wà yìí òbírí ni làwọn àgbà fi máa ń sọ pé òbírí láyé, tó bá yí ó máa kọwájú síyàn kan ó máa kẹ̀yìn síyàn kan. See, we have to have something at the back of our minds. We are one big family. Àti Austin Emmanuel o, àti ITELE the icon o, àti Aisha Raji o, even àtàwọn Olasco, àtàwọn marketers, àti Toymax and every other person tí mo ti dárúkọ. We are one big family.